Ummeli womunye wabasolwa uNobahle Mkabayi utshele uLombard ukuthi ubufakazi bakhe buyashayisana.
Why did you tell this court then that when you left your house in that morning, you went to ask food for your kids from Kelly, if Ayanda was going to provide for you?
That was the morning, my lord, when there was not enough food for myself and the kids.
Ngesonto eledlule kube nokushayisana kubufakazi buka Laurentia Lombard kanye nalokho akusho estatimendeni sakhe. Eziphendulela kulokhu uthe into eyenza ukuthi ubufakazi bakhe bungahambisani ingoba wayengaphansi kwengcindezi ethukile futhi esaba ngesikhathi enza istatimende.
You made a statement, Exhibit O, and you gave evidence and said no, it was not the truth. Is that correct? Was what you said in your confession the truth or not?
It was the truth.
It was the truth.
Ummeli uthi into eyenza ukuthi kube nokushayisana phakathi kwakusho enkantolo nakubhala kustatimende ingoba uqamba amanga.
You know why you are making all these unnecessary discrepancies in your evidence? Do you know the reason why?
Weet u die rede?
Nee, my lord.
No, my lord.
You want me to tell you the reason why you are making these discrepancies?
Mevrou kan maar sê.
You may say, ma'am.
Because you are lying.
As want u prakleens.
Ek lieg nie.
I'm not lying.
Icala liguqile kanti kusasa uLombard kulindeleke ukuthi aphothule ubufakazi bakhe.